What you have tuned in for is another Andre Nguyen exposed.
But we'll just freelance it, that's okay. So we're up there with some of the biggest brands of credit repair.
Stop the cap.
But we charge the most. Why?
Andre, bragging about how much more you charge for your service is not something to be proud of, especially considering your reputation.
Well, Pinnacle Credit Repair, myself, my services are heavily sought out after from people that need the service. Usually people that's affluent people, business owners, people that actually have goals. So I tend to work with a lot of business owners.
Stop the cap.
Or people that are, in higher level jobs. It just turns out that people with higher levels of education, i.e. higher paying jobs, or highly driven, i.e. business owners, CEOs, like my clients,
Scatterbrain alert.
real estate investors, they tend to, be more successful than other people because they're highly driven, and they tend to make mistakes on their credit because they're out there getting it.
Emotional damage.
Andre, it's amazing that people still trust you to fix their credit. It's also amazing that clients will trust you when you treat them with respect. My clients respect me, and they trust me because I genuinely want to help them. Without the respect of the people, Andre, you are nothing, and we are everything credit.